Children, just now I told you about the small family, big family, and joint family. Now let us see the qualities of a good neighbor. So, what are the best qualities of a good neighbor? How can you tell that the neighbor is good or bad? Good neighbors help each other in times of need. So, good neighbors help each other in times of need. That means, children, for example, I told you already clearly about the example. For the example, if your door is locked and your father and mother will approach you by mistakenly they have taken the keys and your waiting period is 4 hours, then where do you stay, children? Yes, if your neighbors are there, if they are good, you will go to your neighbor's house and stay. Like that, good neighbors help each other, not only them, you also should help them. That means mutually you should help each other. In times of any medical emergency, in terms of any, for example, if you are if you are in a need of something, okay, definitely they will help you, and if they are in need of something, you will help them. So then you can call as good neighbors. Second one, they celebrate all festivals together. They celebrate all festivals together. Children, you like which festival, children? Yes, Ganesh Chaturthi. Next one is Diwali. Yes, like that, so many. Holi also. So you can play with the Holi with your neighbors. You can celebrate Diwali like lightning of the lamps and burning of the crackers with your neighbors, and you can fly the kites during Sankranti. And if your neighbors are Christians, you can celebrate Christmas with them. If your neighbors are Muslims, you can celebrate Eid with them. Okay, that means here celebrate all festivals together. So good neighbors celebrate all festivals together. Third one, they do not throw garbage and waste in the neighborhood and keep it neat and clean. So neat and clean, children. For example, some people will be there, what they will do, they throw the garbage and waste in the neighborhood house. That is not the correct process. Understand? If you will throw this night, then the next day night, those people will throw in front of your house. That is not the correct one. Yes or no? Then where you have to throw the waste and dust? And all this dirt, children, garbage in the garbage bins, not in front of your neighbors' houses. Understand? Next one, they do not play loud music which disturb others. This is very important, children. Do not play loud music. If you will play loud music, okay, it will be disturbing the neighbors also. If for example, if you are watching TV and sometimes what happens, your favorite song will come or your favorite movie will come and you will increase the volume. That is not the correct one. If you will increase the volume, it creates disturbance in the neighborhood. They might be sleeping, they might be reading. Understand? Imagine if they also increase the volume in their house, it causes disturbance to you also, no? That is why good neighbors do not create disturbance by playing loud music. So once again I repeat, good neighbors help each other in any aspect. Okay, next one, good neighbors celebrate all festivals together. And if you will celebrate all festivals together, it will give you good company and coordination and togetherness. You will get the togetherness also, children, and it relaxes your mood and definitely it will be fun for you. Next one, good neighbors do not throw garbage and waste. So you should not throw the garbage and the waste in the neighborhood. Where you have to throw? You have to throw in the dustbin or garbage bin. You have to keep the neighborhood house also very clean. Next one, you should not they do not play loud music which disturb others. Here see children, one circle is there. All children in my neighborhood are my friends. We play and celebrate festivals together. Children, I ask the same question to you also. All the children in your neighborhood are your friends or not? Yes. What is the game you will play? Cricket you will play, volleyball you will play, shuttlecock you will play, okay, hide and seek you play, and you also, do you celebrate festivals with them, children? Yes. So celebration of festivals with the neighborhood gives the togetherness. Next, life skills is there, see children. While living with our neighbors, we should be courteous. What do you mean by courteous? Yes. You should be perfect and you should be at least behave like a human. Okay. So cross the pictures we should avoid. So these are the pictures, see children, we should avoid. So here, what is happening in the first picture? Quarreling each other. In the second picture, the toy is there. In the third picture, see children, you should not throw like that on the road. Yes or no? So what you have to do, you have to tick mark with the right mark. What we should not do, you have to cross there. So these are the life skills. So here once again I repeat, neighborhood is nothing but the area around our house is called neighborhood, and so many people will be present beside or in front or back of our houses. They might be small families like consisting of 3 or 4 members, and large families more than 4, and joint families living with their uncles, aunts and cousins. Okay, we have seen the Tina and Reena families as example, and you also told that so many families are small families. And next one, the qualities that are there on the board. Good neighbors help each other in times of need in any aspect. They celebrate all festivals together, and they have to maintain the surroundings neat and clean by not throwing the waste and garbage in the neighborhood area. And they do not play loud music which disturb others. Children, you people also, as you are small kids, even you should not disturb the others by playing loud music, by not going into their houses repeatedly. Yes or no? It may create disturbance also. Yes, you can play with your friends in their house or in your house, no problem. Okay, but do not create this noise there. They might be reading, they might be sleeping, and old people are also there. Some people are having the heart problems. If you will play the loud music, and what happens? Definitely it creates health problems for them. And what in this lesson it is totally telling that together, if you are good with the neighbors, they will be good to you. Okay children, thank you.